Alright, this is the elevator at Midway Arts in Coatesville, Pennsylvania. So, it's coming up right now. It's a little busy because there's a wedding going on. Over here are the original passenger elevator and the newer freight elevator. This is sadly defunct. We just rode the freight. This elevator, however, was the original freight. You can see, yeah. I think there's pictures of it online from when it was original. At least the outside, but not the actual inside. So it's probably constant pressure manual like the passenger. Anyway, here it is. It's a bit slow. Hopefully we won't stop. Take it down the sub-basement. Buttons are reversed. This is very, very slow, so it makes me wonder if this is running on the original motor. Probably not, but it's weird. Snap cab. It was very loud on the 4th floor a while ago. There's a wedding going on up here. 139 East Chestnut Street in Coatesville. This is a permit number of 1944, but I don't believe that this and the passenger look much older than 44. I can tell you that the freight is from the 60s. So I'm assuming that this and the freight have a 44 permit number, and then the original passenger either doesn't have anything because it was turned off a long time ago, or it has a permit number of 0. Haven't checked the records for this place. I only know about this because of Matty ISO 812, so thank you for finding these. This is very slow, but still, the other elevator is very cool. I love that freight. 3,000 pounds. This is elevator 1. I'm just going to assume that since this was the original freight, this was always car 1. The other elevator, the original passenger, was car 2, and then the newer freight that's still running is car 3. No branding on this. BB. It says SB, sub-basement, on the rails in the sub-basement, but this says BB. It's very weird. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but notice the button layout is completely reversed. It's very weird. Really wish these fucking idiots on 4 would stop pushing up. They're supposed to go down. It's gonna work. These fucking inconsiderate bastards. Looks like I'm taking the freight down because I don't want to wait on this thing. This thing's really damn slow. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed.